just review, no? Ano yung pagkakaiba ng ijma at saka surah, no? In English, ijma versus surah. Ijma and surah may be distinguished as follows. First, ijma is a legal tool for producing legal rules based on the consensus of legal experts, while surah is merely consultation with people who may or may not be experts in law to derive their opinion to a particular or affair. Second, itong ijma produces rules which must be followed. The result of surah does not always carry the mandatory effect of law. So, yan yung pagkakaiba ng ijma at saka surah.